Oh yeah, there's light here. In the...
Oh.
Which is the mango tree? The guy with us, you know, he marked them with blue tape. No, they're not in any of those spots. The only one that's really correct is the one beside the toilet. The one that's beside the sink is very low. So it's like you're holding the grab bar at like the level of the sink. So if you want to hold on to something, you want it to be higher, and if you're falling, it'll prevent you from falling. Now if it's down below,
Ang sarap-sarap naman ang adobo. Ito ang munggo.
no, I said Gary's not coming in June anymore. He's gonna come in December because Amelia. Yeah, we can stay here longer. Come Mondays and Fridays. And then I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, it is. Everybody loves it.
May kwan yun doon, may tawag nito, may...
Beach resorts?
Parang restaurant and...
Parang restaurant.
Ako yung anak ko naman dyan sa San Juan, Take the pills, you take 300 pills at a time.
Huh?
It's crazy. No, I'm joking. I mean, you know, more than that. It's maybe about 20 pills at a time. Did you get paid now?
Yes. Yeah.
But, you know.
Never mind, that can be your money.
Yeah. It can be. That can be your. No.
Yeah.
One more. Ay, parang video ito. Ha? Is that the... Tingnan mo nga kung lumabas. Okay, ma'am, Nina. Matching ka naman. Uy, mag-ingat-ingat kayo.
Thank you.
You're so pretty. Ay, ingat kayo, mama, sa biyahe.
We can see each other in Manila. Magma-joke daw kami.
Okay. Hi guys, good morning. Last day namin dito ngayon sa Batangas, guys. So nagpapaalam ng isa't isa. Kay Sir Jaime, uwi na po sila. Ayan, mauna sila sa amin, guys, kasi may biyahe pa sila. Ayan, oh. Yes, ipa-frame ko talaga yun, ma'am. Oo, ang ganda. Ipa-frame ko yun, ma'am. From here. Opo. Hi, Flor. Hi. Mamaya pa kami hapon.
Okay, bye-bye guys. Let's go. Bye. Right seat. Okay. Right seat. Maria, the shoes will get finished. You can do that side. Some people take this home to eat.
Hi guys! Hello! Ayan, pauwi na po ang iba. Ayan, pauwi na po sila ni Sir at Madam. So, sobrang init. Sobrang init. Ayan, mamaya din kami hapon. So, tapos na kami nag-pack ng mga gamit ng aking boss. Yan, chika-chika na lang sila doon. Ang init, sobrang init. Oo. Pero presko. Masarap yung hangin, super presko. Bye, sir! Bye. Ingat kayo, sir! Ayun, mga kasamahan nila ni ma'am. So, ayun guys, ganito po kaganda dito. So bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Blah, blah, blah.